So in last lecture, we discussed about the projection of point when the point is in different quadrants, like first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now we continue our next locations of the point in this video. Our next position of the point is on or in HP, means point is on HP and in front of VP. So in this horizontal plane and vertical plane, suppose our point is on HP and in front of VP. The distance from in front of VP is V. Okay. Now here, the distance of point A from horizontal plane is 0. Okay. So point A is exactly on horizontal plane. Now, when you observe from here, the front view of A and top view of A from here are projected on horizontal and vertical plane. So look at the projection of A on vertical plane. A dash is exactly on XY. The projection of A from top view on horizontal plane is small a. So when you move the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree, our projections looks here XY, in which A dash and our top view small a is below XY at V distance. Suppose my question is like this: draw the projection of point A if it is on HP and 40 mm in front of it. So here the value of V is equal to 40 mm. Next question, for position of the point on or in HP, and the point is on HP and behind it. So here our point is on HP, but here the HP is behind VP. Okay. So when you're looking from front view and top view, the projection of A on horizontal plane small a and on vertical plane it is. Here also the front view is on XY line. Now by moving horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree, our projection looks like this, which A dash is on XY and small a top view will above XY at V distance. Suppose question is draw the projections of point A if it is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. So for these questions, this is our solution in which the value of V is equal to 30 mm. Now next, on and in VP, point is above HP and on VP. Our projection is like this. Small a is on vertical plane above HP, so the projection from front, the projection of A on vertical plane is denoted by A dash. When you're looking from top, the projection of A on horizontal plane small a. By moving horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree, it looks like this: XY, on which top view small a and our front view A dash is above XY line. Generally it is represented on drawing like this. Our question is draw the projection of point A if it is 15 mm above HP and on VP. Now next, when point is below HP and on VP, this is my A point which is on VP and below HP. So when you observe at position for front view, the projection of capital A on vertical plane A dash, and for top view, the projection of A on horizontal plane small a. So by revolving 90 degree, the point on XY line is small a, and our front view A dash, which is on vertical plane, will come below XY line because we do not move vertical plane, we have to move only horizontal plane. So the value of A dash from XY at distance h. Suppose our question, draw the projection of point A if it is 15 mm above HP and on VP. So its answer will be like this, in which value of h is equal to 15 mm. So A dash is below XY and small a on X. Now our last case of the position of point is on HP and on VP. So horizontal plane, vertical plane, and our A is exactly on XY line because XY line is the intersection of horizontal plane and vertical plane. So when you observe from front, the projection of A on vertical plane, A dash, and from top the projection of A on horizontal plane is denoted by small a. So the front and top view of point A both are at the same position on XY. So if you rotate horizontal plane and looks the front and top view both, you will get this type of view. XY on which A dash and A both are situated. So the question, draw the projection of A, it is on HP and on VP. Its answer is like this. Now we have some exercise. Suppose our question is, draw the projection of the following points on the same XY line. If point is 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So in which quadrant the point is located? Below HP, in front of VP, means fourth quadrant. So you can see here in answer, because point A is in fourth quadrant, its projections both front and top view will come below XY line. And here the distance from HP and from VP both are same. So in our answer, draw XY line and A dash and A, both the view, front and top view, will come at distance 20 mm from XY. Second questions, point B 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So in this case, point B is located in first quadrant. So when any point is in first quadrant, its front view, A dash is always above XY line, and its top view, small b, below XY line. So in answer, B dash is 30 mm from XY and small b top view 40 mm from XY. Point C is on VP and 30 mm above HP. So its front view C dash above XY 30 mm, and because point is on VP, the top view is always on XY line. So these are another 3 problems. You can solve yourself. Its answer is given. Now, here we want to discuss about the point from 3 reference planes: horizontal plane, vertical plane, profile plane. So our data is, draw the projection of point A on XY line if the point is h mm above HP, v mm in front of VP, and p mm in front of profile. So in 3D view, this is horizontal plane, vertical plane, and profile plane, in which this capital A is located. Suppose A is in the first quadrant. So when you observe from front, actually the location of A is like this. A is h mm above HP, v mm in front of VP, and p mm in front of profile plane. So this is our original object, capital A. So when you're looking from here, this is a position for front view. So any observer observe the object A and its projections on vertical plane A dash. When you observe from top, the projection of A on horizontal plane is denoted by small a. And from left hand side view, the projection of A obtained on profile plane A dash. So when you move the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree and profile plane 90 degree and keep all three planes in single plane and then observe from the position of front view, you will get this type of projections. Here this is XY line intersection of HP and VP. X1, Y1 is the intersection of vertical plane and profile plane. So A dash on vertical plane, small a on horizontal plane, and A double dash on profile. So A dash is HMM above HP, means above XY. A is VMM from vertical plane, and A double dash is a side view. So once you know the front view and top view, how will you get the side view? So for that you have to draw one line from intersection of XY and X1, Y1, means from O to 145 degree inclined line, and from top view you have to extend a line which is parallel to XY up to 45 degree, and from this line you draw vertical line parallel to X1, Y1, and from A dash you have to draw horizontal line. So the horizontal from A dash and vertical from here 45 degree. The intersection point is always our side view. So these are three planes on which three views are projected. For generally, we have to use this method because we don't show the three planes HP, VP and PP in our drawing. So just XY, X1, Y1, A dash, A and side A double dash. One question related to three principal plane is like this. Point A is located in the first quadrant. The shortest radial distance of point A from the intersection of HP and VP is 40 mm and it is inclined 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection of point. So this is the solution for these questions. How can you solve this problem? First of all, you have to draw one line XY and draw perpendicular to XY, X1, Y1. Okay. By intersection of these two lines, there is one point here. And from this point, this line, the side view to intersection, this line is known as shortest radial distance. Okay. So it is given 40 mm. So take 40 mm line and the shortest radial distance line is inclined 45 degree to HP and HP. So for side view, this line is known as horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. So you have to draw one line 40 mm at incline 45 degree. Okay. So we will get side view A double dash first. And then from this point, we have to draw horizontal line and vertical line. Now, as we discussed earlier, for side view, we have to draw one line 45 degrees. So this line is 45 degree with XY. Okay. So from A double dash, if you draw vertical line up to this and then horizontal line and horizontal line from A double dash. So these two lines are loci of A dash and A, front view and top view of capital A. So we have not given the distance from profile plane. So you can take any distance from A dash to X1, Y1 and locate A dash and draw vertical line from A dash and obtain top view, small a. Okay. So remember, always the front view and top view of any point is come on the single vertical line and the front view and side view of any point also come in horizontal single line. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.